Hey, what's up everyone, you are watching TikTok Bangladesh, and in this series you are going to see all of the best tech news that has been happening worldwide. So without any more talking, let's start. Realme has launched their an entry-level phone which is Realme C12 in Bangladesh. That has been launched before in India, but now this phone has been launched in Bangladesh, and the headline feature is 6000 mAh battery with a triple camera setup, that is an square module, and that's really a new trend, new smartphone design, and notch display, and the feature that is really an amazing. And the price, if you see the price, this will be a perfect phone for you if you are thinking about getting an entry-level Android phone. And the price is 11,000 taka only. Yes, with 11,000 taka you can get an official Realme branded phone, and with the Realme UI that is based on Android 10. This is really an amazing deal for you. Samsung Galaxy S21 has been leaked, and they are keeping 108 megapixel sensor and with 40 megapixel selfie camera. That's obviously with hole punch. They are not going to have a motorized camera or something else, or under display camera, under this front camera, not yet, because the quality is not so great how we have seen on JDE phones. So this is real. And the design, I don't like this camera, huge camera module design. Many of you like, so let me know in the comment, do you like this new big square camera module or not? Alright, now another new phone from Oneplus. Actually this is two phones. Oneplus has unveiled their new Note, that is N10 5G and N100. These two phones has been launched in North America and Europe. They are soon will be launched in India, and this is really a mid-range device with Snapdragon. I don't know that there's a low like 690 maybe. Phones will be an amazing deal for you if you are an Oneplus fan. And most of all, like cherry on pie, these Note phones, especially Note N10 5G, will be on 19Hz display. So basically you are getting a smooth display, but the processor is kind of low. And now it's iPhone time, and they already has been tortured in the Everything Apple Pro and other tech reviewers do that, so I'll give the link in the description again, so if you want you can check the drop test or crash test. And the next, LG has announced a new earbuds which is called LG Tone Free, and these earbuds is good because it has active noise cancellation. Many of you know that active noise cancellation, how amazing this can work, and let's see how it is works. I don't know though LG will come in Bangladesh or not, so let's see. And hey, if you are a gaming people, like to play games or like to watch games on Facebook, it's a good news for you. Facebook is going to announce a cloud-based gaming service like Google Stadia or Xbox xCloud Gaming. So this is an service for you going to enable, so definitely check this out. And that's for it now today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you are living in Bangladesh or any other countries, especially in Bangladesh, you must need to subscribe this channel, because you are going to see a lot of tech news that will really you will love. And also I'm giving some smartphone reviews. If you want to see smartphone reviews or gadget reviews, definitely check the channel. Also hit the subscribe and like button, share with your friends. I'm Oheduzzaman, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.